Okay, folks, this is just a quick video reviewing the Elite Gourmet air fryer, and I've used this now for a few weeks. I got it about a month ago, and I'm very impressed with it. And what I like to use this for, as you can see, I've got some shrimp, some of that popcorn shrimp, breaded shrimp, and also some fries in there. And this will cook those in probably about 8 minutes. And it cooks them up just like they came straight from a restaurant, which is really like them. And, you know, I get these from the dollar store. For $1.25, I get a package of 6 shrimp and a big package of fries. And, you know, those are really tasty and quite good. And so I stick those in there. Whoops. Got to make sure they're kind of on a spread out so they will cook well. And then I have this hooked to my 1200 watt inverter, which is hooked to my 200 watt solar power system and 200 amp hour battery. This is my recharging station, which is why I have all those wires and everything kind of be recharging from the station. But I only use this 1200 watt inverter when I want to run a larger appliance, and this uses about 700 watts. So it runs just fine off this 1200 watt inverter. It doesn't cost me anything to cook my food. So I'm just going to turn this up to about 8 minutes. Let that cook. And we'll come back and check it in a few minutes and see how well it cooked them. Okay, so the little ding bell went off on this. We'll take it out, and as you can see, the shrimp are all nice crispy brown. The fries got just a little bit of that golden brown to them. If you wanted, you could cook the fries a little bit longer. I did it for 10 minutes, and I felt them, and they're very, very hot, and the outside is very crispy. So just the way you want them for fries. All right, that is the Elite Gourmet air fryer. Uses about 700 watts, runs fine off of off-grid systems. 1200 watt inverter handles it fine. Would also run off the Generark power station for taking it camping and cooking up a nice meal. I've also cooked hot dogs in this. I haven't tried a lot of foods in it, but I'm going to keep trying other foods and see how it works. All right, hope you like that video.